So Gauri, tell us about what's really exciting right now. You have a new project on hand and that's keeping you very busy.
Yeah, it's in Pune and it's by the Kolte Patil Builders, 24 carat literati, that's the name. And we're doing penthouses there. It's 6,000 square feet with a poolside.
So it's quite an ambitious project. I mean, this is the first time you're going out there. I mean, you've always been very involved in design when it comes to your own homes.
Yes.
Where did this passion first come from? Is it something that you innately have, a sense of design, or have you cultivated it?
Yeah, actually, I didn't want to. I was never thinking of getting into it professionally. But as you know, I made my home and my house in Dubai. And Suzanne, when I did my place, she opened a store, the Charcoal Project, as you all know. And she saw my place and she said that, why don't you do something with me at the store? And this was before she opened the store. And I was like, no, I'm with the kids, busy, whatever, be with them. And then she opened the store and I was inspired by the Charcoal Project.
Right.
You can say
right.
that.
Okay.
And so that's how it all started.
So, when it comes to design, what is your sense of style? What is the kind of design or decor that you like to go with? I mean, there must be a particular identity associated with a Gauri Khan design.
Yeah, it started off with an identity, but what I'm finding is that what I've done in my home, which is a very mix of modern, contemporary, it's classic, it's a mixture of all kinds of pieces all put together. And it's got color, it's got different moods. We've done each floor differently. One is very English, one is contemporary, one is all some antique pieces. So it's like a combination of various styles, and if I would do another project, I would do it differently now.
When you're doing new projects, how involved would you be, as in, would you be discussing new ideas with, let's say, the client or whoever you're working with?
Of course, I would hear them out, what they have to say and what they like, but I would try to change their minds according to mine and try to put in my style if I can push them towards the wall. And some people are very, very, they don't like to change their thinking, their style, their minds, whatever. But that's where I come in, and I'm going to try to do that, try to, tell them that this is my choice and they should go by it.